Sup guys, Thirdman55 here, and today I will be bringing you another Funko Pop video. This time the Alien Queen vinyl figure from Funko Pop movies. She is number 346 in the line. She's for ages 17 plus. Wow. I didn't know that. Okay. So here we got the Alien Queen right here. She has white teeth instead of the gray teeth. That's a nice picture of her right there. You got the Alien Queen right there and a xenomorph in the back. Looks like she's smiling. Then on the back tells you the two figures you can collect in this line. So you can get Ellen Ripley and the Alien Queen. And then you got the xenomorph in the background. Aliens up there. Number 346. Then you got her kind of peeking up over there. Alien Queen right there. The Pop movies right there. And then she's peeking up over the top. And there's Pop movies right there. I will not make the same mistake twice. I'll just move you guys to the side over there. Hopefully I don't bump you in any way. Come on. These boxes are sometimes really suck. Okay, I'm gonna try and do what I did with the King Kong video. See if I can get her out in one go. Oh yes I can. And I think how I got the scuffing was by dragging him along his face. But I don't know. But whatever. Let's get her out of her box. Almost like I'm pulling them out of a egg or something. Okay. There's our pretty girl out of the box. Don't want to offend her. That wouldn't be nice. Even though she is very ugly. Bring you guys over. There is our Alien Queen out of the box. And first off, you can tell where her eyes are. It's by the little indents right there. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. And her head is vinyl, but her body is a plastic. I really like the pose she's in. I like the black gray gloss on her. She does have black teeth, but that's not in the box. But comment down below if you think they should be white, if you want to see them painted white, or just leave them the way they are. I'll leave them the way they are. But yeah, she's got a plastic body. Vinyl hands there. Vinyl arms. Plastic legs. And she's got a pretty big headgear. Her back of her head is pretty big. really nice detailing in there. I really like these. They look like wings or Godzilla's spine. Godzilla's spines. Yeah. She's a very nice figure, and if you guys find her, pick her up if she's in your area, cause yeah. And I do have the Xenomorph from Aliens, and now I have the Queen. So he's a warrior, or she, I don't know, that I have somewhere. But what's really cool, showing you that she's a girl, she's got high heels, high heeled feet, which is very strange. I guess when they created the alien in the movie, I think that's how they have her feet. It's very weird that they're high heels. They got a very high heely shape. That just looks, wow. Just this bone structure in there would be very different than you putting on a high heel. If you're into that. Well, if you're a girl, that is. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, she's got 4 arms. Which is kind of cool. She's got the bigger arms and then little T-Rex arms in her chest. Really nicely detailed. Even though the teeth are inaccurate to the box. And I think to the movie. So I'm pretty sure her teeth were white. It's kind of sad that her teeth aren't white, but what can you do? Anyway, this has been the Alien Queen Funko Pop review. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you don't leave a like, she's gonna send her warriors after you. So yeah, thank you guys, and goodbye.